Charlie Kirk's commitment to free speech and the open exchange of ideas on college campuses lives on in Students for Liberty. SFL CEO Dr. Wolf von Laer spoke to Nick Gillespie on the podcast episode Campus Activism in the wake of Charlie Kirk's murder.
To give you an idea, worldwide, last year, our students have organized events for 220,000 people. The more students put in their sweat equity, the more they will not only bring about change on campuses today, but also in the future, as academics, as journalists, as think tank leaders.
He made an emphatic point that the mission of free speech is facing obstacles everywhere.
I mean, give you one example. During the week where Charlie was assassinated, we organized a large-scale event at a university in Brazil about the Brazilian constitution and the rule of law. There, a mob of leftists attacked the speaker, our volunteers, as well as all of the attendees, trying to shut it down, handing out the Constitution of the United States of America, and then campus police showing up. Like, we have seen the same thing. It's outrageous.
But into this environment, Students for Liberty is stepping up. Take Asher Bookestein, 20 years old. He's one of the students we've empowered who is speaking up.
I'm probably gonna lose a lot of subscribers from this video, but I'm gonna stay consistent to my values, whether they're attacked from the left or the right.
And that bigger vision, that confidence we're instilling in students, where now like a 20-year-old wants to publish books or protest or become like the libertarian Charlie Kirk, those are the people that we're building up, that we're giving confidence and a bigger vision for themselves. It's a long run play, but that's the theory of change that we're following.
That long run play needs you. If you're a student, join us. If not, donate today to support students' right to free speech on campus and to help them find the inner strength to exercise that right.